let us consider histogram today. Histogram. Histogram is what we want to consider today. Another kind of statistical graph. Histogram. Just like the bar charts, histogram also uses rectangular bars. And from the previous class of the bar chart, you've been taught that you should be careful to use your ruler as in trying to get exact basis or width for the rectangular bars. Also, in your histogram, the difference is that the base or the width might be different or might be the same based on the class intervals that you are using. And the class intervals will only involve the group frequency. But I am not teaching you group frequency right now. I am teaching you the normal frequency or normal distribution. So your base or your width could be the same right now because we are not using class interval in this aspect of statistics. You only use that when we want to start dealing with group frequency. So for when we get to group frequency, then you see how the width could be different based on the class intervals. But for right now, our width will still be the same, but the bars are joined. The bars are joined together. In your histogram, the bars are joined. The heights are different because the height will always be proportional to the frequencies given. So that is what we do in our histogram. Bars are joined. They are not spaced, unlike the bar charts. But you can as well decide to leave a space from the first vertical line, while other places will remain joined, but a space from the first bar and the vertical line. Or you can decide to join the first bar and the vertical line together. You can decide to leave a space between the vertical line and the first bar, while other bars will join from that area. Or you can decide to join the first bar and the vertical line, while others also still join from that area. But don't forget, the bars of the histogram are joined. The bars of the histogram are all joined together. Now let's see if we can deal with similar example that we used in the previous class, still on the same soap, to draw the bars of that. We have the product. We have number. Purchased. We have that. We have soap. Soap is 5. Maggi is 3. Bread is 4. Malt is 2. Gari is 7. And beans is 5. Let's see if we can present this information using the histogram. The histogram. So the first thing you do is draw your vertical line. Draw the vertical line as usual. Draw a vertical line. Draw the horizontal line quickly. That is it. Then the frequency is 1 to 7. Start from this. I said this is also measured properly. So let me do that for you to see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, I said you can decide to leave a space from the first bar or join all together if you like. Let me leave a space here quickly. I'll leave a space for my own. So I'll draw the first line there. Soap is 5, so I'll start from 5 and draw the first line. This is it. I've left that space. I've left that space. Look at the space I've left. I'll start from 5, draw it down. Good. Let me use the size of the ruler as my my measurement bar of each bar. Let it be as big as a ruler. Good. Here's the first bar, 5. Second bar is 3. Second bar will join from there quickly. Second bar will join. It will not be spaced. So here's my 3. Here's my 3. Second bar. 3. I'll join from there directly. 3, which is Maggie. That is it. 3. 4 is the next bar. I'll go from 3. I'll go up to 4. That you should know. That is it. Finish up from there. We don't do spacing for histogram. That is it. 4. The next bar is 2. This is 2. Join from there. Join from there. 2. The next bar is 7. I need to go up from 2. That is 2. 7. I need to go up from 2 down to 7. Here. Good. Join from there. No spacing for this. 2 and 5 follows. This is 5. This is 5. So join from there. 5. Good. We're done with this. Fill up your gaps that you've not closed yet. Close this. Close this 4. Close the 7. So that is our histogram. This is for soap. Soap. Maggi. Here is bread. Here is malt. Here is Gary. And here is beans. In that manner. This is our histogram. You can see the bars are all spaced, are close the main and spaced from the first line. If you decide to join this first bar to the line, if you decide to start this first bar directly from here, there will be no problem with that. But I decided to space the first bar from the vertical line before having. So here we have our product. Here we have the number purchased. The number purchased that we have there, which is the frequency. So we've gotten our histogram. So this is how you go about your histogram. This is how you go about your histogram. Histogram bars, I said, they are all joined together. They are not spaced like the bar charts. They are all joined together. Now, quickly, let me show you a particular curve that is known as polygon. After drawing the histogram, if your question also demands that you construct a polygon, how to construct a polygon? A polygon on the histogram is a curve. A polygon is simply your histogram curve. How to construct it? What you do is simple. Go to the center of each of the bar and asterisk the center. This is it. Asterisk this point. The center of each of the bar. Asterisk it. You later join all the points together. Asterisk. Asterisk. Good. Now join all the points together. Join the points together. Look. Join this point and this point. Join. Good. Join. Join. This is your polygon. Join. Good. Join. Join all the points that you have at the center. Join. Join. Good. Here is your polygon curve. That is it. Then you can as well decide to bring it down. Join this point to the 0 mark. Join to the 0 mark. Bring it down. Good. That is it. And bring this one down also too. The point down. Bring it down. Good. So that is your polygon. So you have your polygon drawn. This curve is called the polygon, please. Polygon. So that is all about histogram for now. I've shown you how to draw the polygon. I've shown you how to present information using the histogram. Histogram bars are closed bars. They are not spaced bar. The heights are not the same because they must be proportional to the frequency given. And so you can decide to leave a space from the first bar and the vertical line, or you can join the first bar. The first bar can start from this line directly, or you can leave a space while others join from there. Then for you to get your polygon, create asterisk or get asterisk of the midpoint, the center of each bar, get the asterisk, then join all the asterisk or the coordinate points. If you join all, you can bring it down and bring it down to 0. That curve is called the polygon. It's called the polygon. So I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.